Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Kevin Alwi and I'm from Automotive Engineering Education, Padang State University. And now, in here, I will explain about internal combustion engine. Okay. Internal combustion engine are divided into two groups: continuous combustion engine and intermittent combustion engine. The continuous combustion engine is characterized by a steady flow of fuel and oxidizer into the engine. A stable flame is maintained within the engine. The intermittent combustion engine is characterized by periodic ignition of air and fuel and is commonly referred to as a reciprocating engine. And discrete volume of air and fuel of processed in a cyclic manner, and gasoline piston engine and diesel engine are example of the second group. And then internal combustion engine can be delineated in terms of a series of thermodynamic events, and in the continuous combustion engine, the thermodynamic event occur simultaneously as the oxidizer and fuel, and the product of combustion flow steadily through the engine. In the intermittent combustion engine, by contrast, the events occur in succession and are repeated for each full cycle. With the exception of rocket, both solid rocket and motor and liquid propellant rocket engine, internal combustion engine injects air, then either compress the air and introduce fuel into the air, or introduce fuel and compress the air-fuel mixture. And then common to all internal combustion engine, the air-fuel mixture is burned. Work is extracted from the expansion of the hot gases product of combustion, and ultimately the product of the combustion are released through the exhaust system. Their operation can be contrasted with our external combustion engine, in which in the working fluid doesn't chemically rich and energy gain is achieved solely through heat transfer and to the working fluid by way of a heat exchanger. And the most common internal combustion engine is the 4-stroke gasoline power homogeneous charged spark ignition engine. This is because of its outstanding performance as a premier mover in the ground transportation industry, and spark ignition engine also are used in the iron industry. However, aircraft gas turbine have become the prime mover in this sector because of the emphasis of the aeronautics industry on range, speed, and passenger comfort. And the domain of internal combustion engine also includes sub-exotic devices as supersonic combustion engine, such as turboprops for hypersonic aircraft, and sophisticated rocket engine and motor, such as those used on other space vehicles. And next, the application of the internal combustion engine. Reciprocating piston engine are by far the most common power source for land and water vehicles, including automobile, motorcycle, ship, and to a lesser extent, locomotive and rotatory engine of the Wankel design are used in some automobile, aircraft, and motorcycle, where high power to weight ratio are required. Internal combustion engine appear in the form of combustion turbine and Wankel engine. Power aircraft typically use an ice which might be a reciprocating engine, Airplane can instead the jet engine and helicopters can instead employ turboshaft, both of which are type of turbine. In addition to providing propulsion, airline may employ a separate ice as auxiliary power unit. An ice-drive large electric generator that power electrical grid, and they are found in the form of combustion turbine with a typical electric output in the range of some 100 MW. Combined cycle power plant use the high temperature egg house to boil and superheat water steam to run a steam turbine. And the use efficiency is higher because more energy is extracted from the fuel than what could be extracted by the combustion engine alone. Combined cycle power plant achieve efficiency and small scale. And various science and engineers contribute the development of internal combustion engine. And Barber developed gas turbine patent a gas engine, and American Great Britain invented the first commercial liquid fuel internal combustion engine, and mean any piece of machinery action that presents expression such as an engine. A motor is any machine that produces mechanical power. Traditionally, electrical motors are not referred to as engine. However, combustion engines are often referred to as motor. And in boating, an internal combustion engine that is installed is the whole is referred to as an engine, but the engine that sit on and transform are referred to as a motor. And thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.